and welcome to Top of the World. If it's your first time, my name's Charlotte. This is today's project. We are renovating a miniature cabin. The cabin was handmade by a man in the 1960s. The same man who built a number of cabins next to the river. One of the cabins you've already seen in detail. My father replaced one of the bottom rotten logs back in the summer. The link to that video will be here, or down in the description. You can see the main structure is still very sound. However, you can see the roof boards are rotten. And the birch bark top is past its sell-by date. I am now going to strip off the entire roof and see what the structure's like underneath. So as we can see, the structure is quite good. Now I've got this cleaned up and inspected the structure, it's time to go and call the expert to see what he says.
Good job. Well, that's dry. Right, I think we need to add something back into this to extend its life. It's not our end of life, but it's too dry and all the natural oils have gone out of the timber and it needs something to put back. So before we put the new roof on, I think, have you done a cutting list up for the roof?
No.
I think do a cutting list up, tell me what you need, and then while I'm making that you can give it a coat of oil. It needs something back in, see where the end grain is all dry. So we don't want to change the colour of it because it's greyed nicely and she likes the way it looks, but it does need to have something back into it to give it some natural oils.
While he's making what I need, I'll coat this in a clear hard wax oil.
Right. Do you want widows? Come on.
Now fully coated and it's time to add these new roof boards.
it was bark side down, so we're going to put it back on there bark side down.
Cool, cool.
Some of this is curled up.
Oh, it's curled up bad.
Yeah, it's curled up bad. So we laid this birch bark down 6 years ago. Yeah. And it's been over there laying flat underneath some stuff for all that time. So it's about picking the right pieces that are going to work.
I started at the front using barge boards. Now I'm going to use battens and pin them to the length of the roof as I go That's a nice little project all finished, and that should extend the life for another about 60-70 years. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of this content, give it a subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.